Hello everyone, we're going to be swapping out my friend's mid-pipe today and his exhaust with a full catback system. Right now we're just taking off the mufflers. It's going to be two 14mm bolts on each side, and then I believe 14s in the middle. If it changes, I'll let you know. Next step you're going to do is just find the hangers up in here, and there's going to be one on this side and one right there. And you simply just pull off the old muffler system.
Is it holding it? Yep.
When you're removing the mid-pipe, there's going to be a 13mm and a 14mm. So you'll just be able to figure out which one is on which side. And once you have those two unscrewed, all you do is take the mid-pipe off the hanger and just take it off.
And that's a 13.
Oh, this is the Invidia Gemini R400 exhaust. Fits both the STI and WRX, assuming it's the same exhaust. Reason why I wanted it is the chambers, and I love the tips.
Whenever you're looking at the bolts, you're going to have 6 bolts that are all going to be this length, and then you're going to have 2 bolts that are going to be this smaller diameter. So these smaller ones are what are going to connect to your factory downpipe if you don't have an aftermarket downpipe for your car. Otherwise, if you try to use these bolts here, that hole is going to be too small to be able to fit it in. So basically what we've done is already connected the mid-pipe portion to the wide pipe, and all you do is just put one of your flanges or whatever you want to call it in here, and then just tighten it down on both sides.